Hi guys, this is one of my recycling centre finds. Out at the recycling centre at Thornbury. Picked it up with a few other items, total cost of £1. Main reason I wanted to buy it was for the rubber tracks, because you don't get tracks very easily, at least not as cheap as probably 50p this has cost me in total. The I'll call them wheels. They're all fixed to axles that go straight through. So when you turn one side, the other side turns. So it's no use to actually use simply as a electric tracked vehicle, because both sides would turn at the same time, so you couldn't turn it. But I was looking at it, and inside there's a bit of a box in there, and I think that's just a dummy section where potentially you could mount a motor. There's probably a motorised version with completely different track setup. But I'm just going to take the cover off so we can have a look and see what that box is that's in there. I won't bore you by undoing all the screws. There's 10 screws. Yeah, that's what caught my eye. See what I mean about the axles going straight through? So if we did want to convert it, we'd have to cut them all, mount them some way, and also one way or another we're going to have to put gears on them so we can drive individual tracks. So it's not a simple conversion. I'm expecting this is just an empty box, as I say, a dummy to fill the space. It may even just be the seat for the figure to sit on at the right height. So he puts his head out through the turret. Yeah, empty box. I mean, that looks like that's supposed to be where a button would go, on and off switch. But if you actually wanted to drive any of those axles, the only ones you could drive would be, to get a gear on it, would be the back axle. That's got a bit of space around it, but that doesn't grip the teeth on the track. The only one that actually grips the teeth is that one. All the others have just got slots in them. So that's the one you'd have to drive, and that's no good where it is. You'd have to cut a hole in the bottom to be able to put a gear on there. And you'd want it to drive each side individually, so you'd have to cut them all down the middle. And then support them somehow or other, so they don't slide out. Not impossible, but not simple. Anyway, we've established there's nothing in there. Nothing else to see really. Lots of screws to undo to take bits and pieces off. But no advantage in doing any of that at the moment. Hey, Thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.